Hey everyone, Mary and Tim here of the Knott's Network.
Yes.
We are here for our fourth and final round of Knott's
Scary
Farm. Yes, reason why we're starting this vlog out in the parking lot is because something is across the street that has been getting my attention a lot lately.
Oh.
And it's the 17th door. We haven't talked about them in a while on our social medias for a while, but we just watched their Spook Show 17
yes,
show.
it is their TV show. Meaning he's had it on repeat for days.
Yep, I have. I enjoy it a lot.
Yes.
It's really fun, and it's a good time. I'm hoping they're making more, and I will definitely be buying them.
It's honestly a must-watch for anybody who's a haunt fan and wants to see the behind the scenes of how a haunt.
But
is
yes,
put together.
we will make a full in-depth review of that, and then our whole experiences with 17th door over their history of being open. But across the way from us right now is their field trip experience.
Ooh.
Yeah, we want to go so bad now. Yeah, after watching the show, we kind of want to go now. We're very curious. So hopefully, maybe there's, still 2 weeks left in the season. So we might, I think they're open in November. Mm-hmm. So we might try to pull off going. So we'll see. Stay tuned for that one. But in the meantime, we are going to go walk in. We are going to head towards the gate.
To the farm.
Yes, get past the security. And we're going to have a fun, scary final night of Scary Farm for the season,
in
2022.
Yes.
Yes, so let's go.
I love how the Green Witch is like pumpkin spice season is my favorite season.
Yeah, Mary's getting some coffee. I got a Red Bull, so I don't need coffee and Red Bull or I'll be having to go to the bathroom every 2 seconds. Okay, Mary's got her Starbucks. Now we're gonna go head through security check. And they should. It is about 8 minutes till rope drop. Ooh. I think that's the opening.
Starting.
Ooh, we are inside.
Ooh, I think the opening ceremony is happening.
Yeah, we need to. Rope drop hasn't happened yet. We're like 2 minutes in.
Yeah.
Where should we go?
Hey guys, I'm gonna sit down and eat my lemon loaf.
Okay. We need to go get our front of lines.
Right on time. You have arrived at your destination. I am the conductor.
Oh Jesus!
Dun 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 dun. Let's go down that way, Mary.
Okay.
Ah, the rope has dropped. The little ones are already running for dear life. We are gonna head to the same place we did last time to get our front of the lines. Because although it doesn't look busy right now, it's gonna get busy as the night goes on.
Yeah.
You could hear the screams from inside. It's gonna be a good night. We are gonna go through or head towards Dark Ride first because it's one of our favorites and it's its last year. Ah, so sad. Yeah, it looks like the train is really down for the count. It's not even over here for the spookiness, but the conductor is right here. The conductor is looking all creepy as always. You can barely tell he's there, but he's there. There's the exit to Dark Ride. So cool, Mary. It's our fave. One of our faves, really. We're gonna go in that one right now. Push the button, Mary. It does stuff sometimes. I always push the wrong one though. I don't drop it, I promise. I love that there's a little gift shop at the end. Okay, we're going to Mesmer now. The Mesmer queue lets you walk along the tracks of the Calico Railroad, which is currently closed right now.
And they got the Elephant Man theme playing.
Ah, oh, that song's spoopy. Oh, you guys, a little nighttime edition update. That's all the hat dance vehicles. They're probably just sitting here while they refurb the ride and the construction goes on.
My canvas, the ink seals forever. Can read suggestions. Light as a feather. Rotate.
It was alive, and then you came through. It died. Somebody passed it over there.
Sway. Watch your balance. Be careful. Don't let your thoughts wander. Stars. Your flesh is stripped away. Your mind is cradled in nothing.
Red room.
Red room. We just got out of Mesmer.
Yeah.
I don't know where we're gonna head next. We might go on Supreme Scream. Look at the Galloping Goose. Looks like it's getting a refurb right now. That's why the railroad's not open at all. I don't know where the engine is. It must be inside the roundhouse. So we are gonna go on Supreme Scream. It's one of our subscribers' favorite rides. Janelle. Shout out to Janelle. We're gonna go on it tonight. Whee! Look at those colors. I love the color scheme.
Purple and green, yeah.
Purple and green, yes.
I'm all about it.
That looks cool, and it transfers between towers. Cool. Oh, there is 2 towers open. We got off Supreme Scream. We're gonna go get some dinner before we get hangry, and before the line gets too long. It looks like there's no line right now. Thank you. Monsters. Actually, these are clowns. Rawr. Oh, big clown. Big clown. I can't, Mary. No, we're gonna be safe soon. What's she doing? Scan for menu. Oh, we're safe. We're in line. Look, we could eat outside, Mary. Where do you want to eat? Around this area?
Yeah. We're here at Johnny Rockets gonna eat dinner. And while we eat dinner, look at the clown of Carnival. It's gonna be fun.
Carnival. And Hang Time right now is doing its light show. I got the smokehouse burger. We got half onion rings, half fries, and Mary got the chicken tenders. Yeah. How you know it's gonna be busy? Western lot is open. Okay, we are just finished eating. We are making our way towards Grimoire. We just went through Goring 20s. But yeah, the Grimoire.
Grimoire.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, front of the line for the win, y'all. 5 minutes versus 60 minutes is a way better deal. The Grimoire. Yeah, Mary brought the monsters food.
I couldn't finish what I was eating, so
Hey guys, you've got to check out this book we found in that old treehouse. Listen up. A world where words turn whispers in the air, where brothers fight brothers, where blood runs thicker than nightmares, where screams of mortals in war are filled with pain. A world where being thankful is filled with a thirst for blood. Grimoire! Grimoire! Damn these souls to our pages through our dying breath.
Okay, you guys, we're going through Origins now. We just got out of the Grimoire. Alrighty, we're going into the fog. We just got out of Origins, and now we're going toward. I don't know where. Actually, we're gonna head towards the back maze. Quick pit stop, though. All right, we are in the pack area. We are gonna go on Waxworks next. We are now in line for the depths.
The depths.
That's our next maze.
Yes.
We are in line for Bloodline. We are gonna shoot some vampires or something.
Well, I'm gonna hold my food while
Mary's
Tim
gonna hold the
shoots.
food, so I will shoot. We are going on Dark Entities now. The last maze for us in the back area. Scary stuff.
Nurse, I need more bandages.
All the monsters want Clary's food. It's hilarious. They all want her food. It's so funny.
Breach detected. PlayStation lockdown procedures in effect. Breach detected.
Alright, we're heading to the final maze.
Yes.
And it's Pumpkin Eater. It is now 9:30. We've managed to eat something and go through all the mazes.
And on one ride.
Yes, one ride. We went on Supreme Scream earlier. If you guys haven't noticed, I don't know if you can see, but Mary is blind as a bat. And on rides, you cannot wear loose glasses. So we got her, let's see if you can see it. You know what, I'm gonna turn on my phone light. Anyways, it is a strap for her glasses. We're gonna try it out and hopefully go on a few rides because she can never see half the time on the poor thing. So I was destined to find her one, and I actually found it at the hotel, huh? So yeah, we'll try these. I'm gonna put them on her glasses right now. Update, I put them on her glasses. They fit nice and snug. And it doesn't look like it's gonna fall off that easy. Does it feel okay? All right. We'll try it later after she's let her food settled. All right, we're gonna go through Pumpkin Eater one more time because it is on its last year.
Yeah, and we want to get the extra pita in.
Oh yes, so this will be our last run through it, and we'll probably do Dark Ride again also.
Also, I don't know if Tim updated you on this, but we stopped to have a quick bite. Leftovers in the hollow, because we want to enjoy the hollow. Like,
Yes, the Hollows. It's last year. So let's go to Pumpkin Eater. Yeah, I know. It's good to see Snake on the streets of Ghost Town. Yeah, because we didn't see him opening night, so it's good. Actually, both first 2 nights we came here, we didn't see him. So glad we see him this time. All right, we are gonna head to hang time. Hang time, scary time.
Yes.
Fast lane shouldn't be too bad. It's otherwise a 90-minute wait. Ooh. We haven't been on hang time in a while. It's in the front too. It's just like they split you. Yes, Mary's gonna put her glasses to the test. Hopefully they are cool with them. I mean, we went on, oh yeah, Supreme Scream earlier, they're like, do you have straps for it? So that might be okay. We'll see. Oh look, that seat's back. It's been gone for a while. Front of line for the hang times. How bad is it? It's a little bitty. I wonder how longer, 5 minutes maybe? We are gonna go inside next. Row one, row one, row one. Row one, row one, row run, row run, row run.
We're about to board hang time, and guess what started? Welcome to the carnival.
Hopefully it's still going on when we get on it, right?
I hope so.
It should. The song's long enough. Okay.
Lady Esmeralda, get to yourself.
Alright, so we just got off hang time.
Yeah.
We did the front row. That was fun.
Yes.
And we almost went when they were doing the music light show, but somebody whipped out their phone and they had to stop the ride.
And I'm like, put away your phone, I'm gonna feed you to the monsters.
So we missed that out, but it was either way, all in all, still a fun night ride. It's scary fun.
Yeah.
So now I think we're gonna go see Puppet Up.
Yeah.
All right, we are inside the Walter Knott Theater, and that's what it's called now.
Yes.
And we're seeing Puppet Up. Let's
Yes.
put the camera. We're sitting way up here.
Yes.
A different view. We're usually always up close.
Oh yeah. Alright, we got out of Puppet Up. Yes.
There's only about 45 minutes left.
Yes.
And we're probably going to just go on 2 more rides. And then that's it for our fun season of Scary Farm. But yeah, let's do this real quick.
Yeah.
Oh, into the fog, man. It'd be that way. Alrighty, we just went on Silver Bullet and went through Forsaken Lake. We are gonna go through Dark Ride one last time. Dark Ride's final year. We're gonna go through it one last time. Wow, they took out all the queues. It's getting kind of late, so a lot of people are heading out of here.
Yeah.
It's 30 minutes till park closes. So we are going to go through Dark Ride, and then we're gonna go walk through Ghost Town and probably hit up Ghost Rider, and then that's gonna end our Scary Farm season of 2022. We cannot wait for the 50th. We probably should plan to come here every week for the 50th.
Oh my goodness.
All right, we're going in. Dark Ride, one last year. Farewell, Dark Ride. We just went through Dark Ride. Now we are going to make our way through Ghost Town and head towards Ghost Rider, and that's going to be our last thing. I needed to wake up. It's been a long day. So we're going to go through Ghost Town one last time. Yeah, Ghost Town. One last journey through Ghost Town streets. We're gonna miss Scary Farm. It's been such a great season. Oh gosh, into the fog. Ooh, it's extra foggy tonight. Ghost Rider's fast lane entrance is way over by the exit area. Hopefully it's not too long. Hang time was long. Silver Bullet was quick and easy. Supreme Scream was nice and quick too. Alright guys, scratch that on the Ghost Rider. It looks like, I mean, if the fast lane wasn't bad, then sure, but the fast lane's probably about 10 minutes. So, and then the regular line, oh my gosh.
Yeah.
This ride's gonna be open till like 2 in the morning.
Oh yeah.
Anyway, so we're not open, but running at least till 2 in the morning. So we're just gonna go hang out somewhere in Ghost Town. I don't know where, maybe Fog Alley somewhere.
Sounds good to me.
And then, yeah, that's we're gonna end our season in Fog Alley. It's usually where it starts here. Well, our season for Scary Farm starts at Rope Drop over here at Fog Alley, basically. Another year. This is the end for us for Scary Farm this year.
As the conductor would say, we are at the end of the line.
Okay, guys, that's gonna sign off our round 4.
Yes.
Scary Farm vlog.
Yes, it was so much fun.
So much fun. I'm a little tired.
I'm tired too.
We want to give a huge shout out to all the monsters,
Yes.
the crew,
Yes.
KBF staff,
Yes.
everybody involved in Scary Farm.
Yes.
Puts this together every year to make our nightmares come true.
Yes!
And let's see. Anything else you want to add, Mary?
I want to add, thank you all so much for making this year of Scary Farm so wonderful. It is you monsters, you cast, you crew, everybody, all of the people who come up and say hi to us, our friends, our fans, like everyone, like you are what makes Scary Farm amazing and excellent and such a joy to come.
Yes, it's always exciting seeing everybody, our friends, our followers,
Yes.
everybody that works here that we
Yes.
know.
Yes.
It's fun. It sucks that this is our last night. It's bittersweet.
Yeah.
The season's not entirely over for us. We still got a few more things to do.
A few more things.
Until Halloween, before Halloween ends. So stay tuned, guys.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna thank you again so much for watching. We're gonna give a huge shout out to our Patreon supporters: Tom, Kooky Trails, Tucker Time, and SoCal Fun Seeker.
SoCal Fun Seekers.
We'll see you guys next video.
Thank you. Bye-bye.